Genetic factors represented by our DNA lay the foundation for our innate intellectual potential. Intelligence turns out to be a very stable trait from young to old age in the same individual. One of the most remarkable findings of the twin studies is that heritability of intelligence is extraordinarily large, in the range of 50 to 80%. Certain genes have been identified to be associated with intellectual abilities, such as those involved in the brain development and functioning. Is it possible that the key to your intelligence is written in your genetic code? Do you think intelligence is something you can see in a person's genes? Join us as we delve into the science to find out how much of our brain power is inherited and how much is shaped by our experiences. We all know what it means to be intelligent. It helps us to plan, reason, solve problems, learn quickly, think on our feet, make decisions, and ultimately survive in a fast-paced modern world. But what really makes us intelligent? Intelligence is a complex trait influenced by both our genetics and our environment. The ongoing debate about the relative contributions of these factors has captivated researchers for decades. Genetic factors represented by our DNA lay the foundation for our innate intellectual potential. Scientists estimate that genetic variations account for approximately 50 to 80% of the variation in the intelligence among individuals. These genetic influences include specific genes associated with cognitive function, neurotransmitter activity, and brain structure. Research has shown that certain genes linked to intelligence play important roles in how our brain cells work and communicate. These genes are particularly active in specific types of brain cells found in the key areas of brain like the cortex and midbrain, which are crucial for thinking and processing information. The genetic contribution to intelligence difference is highly polygenic. That is, there are large numbers of independent genetic variants, each of which accounts for a tiny proportion of intelligence variation. Interestingly, there is a notable connection between brain volume and intelligence. Studies show that people with larger brains tend to score higher on intelligence tests. This link is partially due to shared genetic factors. However, genetics alone cannot fully explain the complexity of the human intelligence. The environment plays a significant role in shaping our cognitive abilities. Factors like nutrition, education, and social interactions profoundly impact intellectual development. Studies have shown the remarkable plasticity of the brain and its ability to adapt and grow throughout our life. Environmental enrichment, such as engaging in challenging cognitive tasks and receiving quality education, enhances cognitive abilities and can even offset potential genetic limitations. One common measure of intelligence is the IQ test. Despite the critics of reducing intelligence to a single number, IQ tests have proven their validity and relevance. Results of IQ tests strongly correlate with the life outcomes, including socioeconomic status and cognitive ability. Intelligence is also a very stable trait throughout the life. Longitudinal studies have shown strong correlations between intelligence at a younger age and later life outcomes. For example, intelligence at age 11 strongly correlates with the scores on National Test of Educational Achievement 5 years later and even at the age of 90. Individual intelligence levels remain consistent with their early scores. One of the most remarkable findings for the twin studies is the high heritability of intelligence, ranging from 50 to 80%. Identical twins who share 100% of their genetic material tends to have more similar intelligence level compared to fraternal twins who share about 50%. While genetic influences play a substantial role in shaping intelligence, environmental factors also contribute significantly. Early childhood experience, education quality, socioeconomic status, and nutrition all impact intellectual development. Understanding the interplay between genetic and environmental influences is crucial for unraveling the complexities of intelligence. By exploring these factors, we can gain a deeper understanding of what shapes human intelligence and work towards fostering its development for future generations.